नाउ बचे 3.4 परफॉर्म बेसिक कंप्यूटर ऑपरेशंस। Session 1 Procedure for starting and shutting down the computer. How you can start and shut down the computer? It is easily enough to start the computer if all the electrical components of the computer are switched on. Pressing the switch on the system cabinet, बच्चे system cabinet is CPU. On the system cabinet is usually enough. If the electrical components are not switched on, then follow these steps. Number 1, switch on the main power button. Number 2, switch on the UPS. Number 3, switch on the system cabinet button. Number 4, switch on the monitor button. The above steps are usually enough to switch the computer on and up and running. Steps to shut down the computer are as follows. Number 1, click on the start button on desktop. Number 2, click on shutdown option. The desktop will fade away and the computer will gradually shut down. Session 2 Operating System. What is the meaning of operating system? Operating system is a software running on the computer. It acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware. Computer hardware means physical components of computer system. It is the most important software of the computer that makes the computer usable by the user of the computer. Some of the tasks done by the operating system for the computers are: number 1, process creation. Number 2, process termination. Number 3, memory management by process. Number 4, disk space management. Number 5, peripheral management. Peripheral means input output device management. Number 6, process management. It is rather complex task to write the operating system, so the general trend is to some parent operating system and rewrite some of the essential routines in the core operating system. For example, Linux was written with the use of the Unix as its kernel. Some popular operating system for the computers are Windows line of operating system, Linux, Macintosh, Android for mobiles, and DOS. Next, session 3 types of operating system: DOS, Windows, Linux. DOS means disk operating system. As the operating system is rather complex software, different operating systems usually emphasize on different things. The different types of operating systems are: number 1, time sharing. What is the meaning of time sharing? It is an extension of multi-programming. In this mode, a number of users operate online with the same CPU, but each uses a different input-output terminal. Number 2, multiprocessing. Multiprocessing means multi means more than 2. Multiprocessing occurs when a computer system with 2 or more processors can run more than one program or thread at a given time by assigning them to different processors. Number 3, multi-user operating system. Multi-user is a term that defines an operating system that allows access for multiple users to the computer at the same time. Windows and Linux are multi-user operating systems. Next one is GUI. What is the meaning of GUI? GUI means graphical user interface. The graphical user interface allows user to have direct control of visible objects such as icons. Objects means icons and actions that replace complex command syntax. GUI is used by Apple, Macintosh and Windows operating system.